Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can see, this is Yamaha ZR. So here you can see the ZR. It is a new look at the new bike we can say in the market. So this is the design of the front profile of ZR. If you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and let's start video. So you can see here the Yamaha ZR. So as you can see the signature of ZR, it is Yamaha logo as written in the LEDs, and these are the running LEDs. Why? It is given in the Y design. So coming to the front, these are the headlight of design. You can see good design as a new look, and here you can see the mudguard of the vehicle, red profile, red and black finish combined, and UBS braking system. So the mudguard design is very good. The quality of some more average, so it has to be built very good somehow as this price segment. So you can see fully covered at this mudguard at the front. And here you can see the disc brake. So this is a new adventure feature of the vehicle, we can say as disc brake. So I don't know the size of the disc brake, so but it is large enough to this wheel at the size. So here you can see the alloy wheels. These are the 6-spoke alloy wheels, we can say, and the finish of the alloy wheels are very good. Tubeless tire, and the profile of tire come as 1990 12 inches tires, massive enough for the scooters of 12 inches tires, we can say here. So NISN disc brake has came this company, and here you can see the horn of the vehicle. So these are the dummy ventilators of the vehicle, we can say, and we can see the plastic finish is very good quality. Overall the fiber and plastic this vehicle, so build quality is good. So new vehicle has cracked here. So you can see the large Yamaha front size at the ZR. So here you can see the cylinder ray ZR logo here, Yamaha logo here, Yamaha logo here. Here you can see there is no LEDs indicators, only bulbs, and you can see side view mirrors. The view of the mirrors are very poor. And coming back to here, footrest. So you can see the finishing of the footrest is very good, and the quality build is very nice, and the colors are very good in this Yamaha ZR. You can go through colors favorites. And here you can see the hook of the vehicle. So there is only single hook, there is no hook here, and completely closed and packed up here, you can say. And the footrest is massive enough, very large. And you can see the design of here. This is the engine ignition switch here, has given placement here so that it is be some safe. So here you can see the dummies of the vehicle. And coming back to side profile, you can see cylinder race ZR logo here, 125cc solid gear. So you can see here written as engine displacement of solid gear, so that the gear shifting of this inner machine is very good. So overall the engine look is completely outlook, we can say. Here you can see the fan of the vehicle. This is the silencer of the vehicle, so it's very hot. And these are the very cheap plastic finishing of on the silencer, we can say. And you can see the engine oil you can put from here. And you can see very dusty in rainy seasons, so in off-road, so it should be covered by something so that the vehicle should not be dusty. But the design of the vehicle is completely overall outlook. And you can see the footpads of rear pillion seat, very good quality. And coming back to backside of the vehicle, you can see the new look of the tail light, we can say. So new design of the Yamaha ZR as design as not like Fasino and other vehicles. Here you can see the dummy radium. So again indicators of bulbs, no LEDs. So here you can see the light, I will show. Here you can see the light of number plate. Here the number plate fixed, plastic is very low. And the rear profile tire comes at 110 90 10. So here somehow the increased as front compared to rear. So tire profile has increased somewhat to the rear, and very dusty, sorry for that. And here you can see the pillion holder. So it is very large as Yamaha has design, signature design. Here you can see the air filter and engine. So here is a kick rod, you can see. And rear is no disc brake, so only drum brake for this vehicle. Single monopole shock absorber, and tire profile is very large, very enough, massive enough to this vehicle, I can say. At the roads, and suspension is also good, and will show in the test drive. And same logo. So this is the engine outlook of the vehicle from the rear. And coming back to here, so let's go to instrument cluster. So there is full swipe 188 kilometers at the instrument cluster. You can see this is a fuel gauge, trip A, trip B, odometer, only a single trip, and fuel indication, and ZR logo. Again detailed review in this, and a ecosystem is on while driving, indicators logo, engine heat up switch, light pass, etc. So this is completely digital meter, we can say. Good, as we can say. So in this generation, good for this digital meter, as we can say. Yamaha logo here. There are many cross cuttings on this vehicle, but the design is overall looking gorgeous, I can say. Handlebars are massive, short, not so massive also. Here the light pass, indicators, horn is decent. Here is the self start button and engine kill switch. So for scooters, engine kill switch of this price segment is very good. I can side view mirrors are very bad, average view we can say, so it should be increased some more. And competition, overall all features has came and filled up with this in this scooter as compared to other scooters. UBS braking system and massive good look and filled with all the extra features. Here you can see the seat is very large, 3 people can easily sit, but there is only 2 people to sit and drive safe. So let's open. So here you can see the to open the boot switch, here only it has been given. So it is massive enough, you can see, but there is only missing charging socket and light in a boot. And here we can see a full size helmet will fix in it and some paper stuff to keep holders, etc. Massive enough. Here you can see the fuel lid as inside only those. So this is a chassis number. So overall the build quality is good here. The toolkit completely fixed in it, very good. Build quality is also good in this seat inside, and the plastics have somehow to be better. You can see this is a profile of the ZR. So let's go and give the test drive. So let's go to test drive. So there you can see the silencer sound, very silent. So I have impressed very lot of this scooter. Brakes are very good performing. Front brake has disc brakes, so very good performing. And you can see the grip of the tires, very good. And the suspension also very good, I can say. Overall the brakings are good. So friends, here you can see it is 125cc at 8.1 Newton meters of bhp of power at 9.1 Newton meters of torque, massive enough. But the pickup of the vehicle is good, I can say. Brakes are performing very good, suspension also good, shock absorbers are performing very good. And at the night view it is very good light. And overall the petrol capacity is 5.2 liters and the mileage of the vehicle is 66 kilometers per liter. So overall good mileage and good pickup at this price segment. But the only problem is the fiber and the plastic finish has came, so that somehow metal should be used at the body and it should be look gorgeous. Colors also very good on this bike. So overall the view mirrors are not so giving view at the side, and the instrument cluster is showing completely good view. And accelerator is also good, and the pickup is completely nice as compared with other scooters. So this is a new bike, and overall the new bike has filled with all the features. So missing out some features, but the braking is nice and the performance of vehicle is awesome, I can say. You can go for seat comfort is also good at long journeys, at short journeys, at street rides. And overall the vehicle, I can say, massive filled with features, I can say. I'm saying very times massive. So comfort position is also good, riding position is also nice. Handlebars are very wide, massive enough. And at street ride it is very good. The sound of the vehicle is very silent. I am impressed a lot of this. And as you can see, brakes are performing very good. The missing out is only a rear disc brake. So this is the basic variant. Top end variant you get both the disc brakes, and overall tire profile is also good. So let's turn and see the radius of the vehicle. So how it's performing. As you can see, this is a short radius vehicle. Without keeping a legs down, I have turned. So at the 40 feet road, overall vehicle is performing very good at this price. As ex-showroom price of Hyderabad is 96,000. So overall you can see under the 1 lakh and get this vehicle. So price segment are also good. I am impressed a lot with the price and mileage, pickup, PHP of 9.1 at 125cc and 7600 RPM, and overall the suspension is good. So I am very impressed. So it is a new vehicle, so definitely you should have test drive and pick up the vehicle. So this is the best choice to pick up at the metropolitan cities, also in villages, because mileage is giving large enough. As you can see, with giving the throttle, the vehicle is performing very good. So brakes are perform very good. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon.